Good morning, sir. This is Raya Supraja from Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. My registration number is 212H1A3059. Now I want to tell about the rule-based models. Rule-based models is a machine learning represent decision making using a set of rules. These models are interpretable and transparent, making them valuable in domains where explainability in crucial where's an overview. Decision trees, they consist of a tree-like structure where each internal node represents the feature, each branch represents the decision rule, and each of leaf node represents the outcome decision tree, and interactive and can be handled both numerical and categorical data. Rule-based classification models, the repair and RCN to generate rules for the iterative constructly similar decision rules to occur specific classes in a dataset. Association rule mining algorithms like a priori and FB growth interact rule showing the relationships between the different items in datasets commonly used in a market basket analysis. Rule assemble models, these combine multiple rules from the various sources or models. The enhance predictive performances. Fuzzy rule-based systems. These are fuzzy logic to handle uncertainty and precision in data, creating rules based on a fuzzy sets and fuzzy reasoning. Rule-based models have the strength in interpretability and explainability, making them suitable for the domains where understanding the decision making process is an important as predictive accuracy. However, they might struggle with the capturing complex relationships present in some data sets and can be sensitive to noise or outliers. Decision tree is a supervised learning technique that can be used for both classification and regression problems, but mostly it preferred the solving classification problems. It is a tree structured classifier when internal rows represents the feature of a dataset, branches represents in a data decision rules, and each leaf node represents the outcome in decision tree, whereas the two nodes, which are the decision node and leaf node, decision nodes are used to make my decision have a multiple branches, whereas leaf nodes and the output of the decision and do not contain any further branches. The decisions or the test are performed and basis or features to give data set. It is a graphical representation of a getting all the possible outcomes to a problem decision based given conditions. It is called the decision tree because, similar to a tree, it starts with the root node, which expands the further branches and constructs the tree-like structure. In order to build a tree, use the CURT algorithm, which stands the classification regression tree algorithm. The decision tree simple asks a question based of a answer. The further split it tree into the subtrees. Below diagram explains the general structure of a decision tree. Here the diagram explains the general structure of the decision tree. Why the decision tree? Why use decision tree? There are various algorithms in machine learning. So choosing the best algorithm for the given dataset, the problem is the main part of the remember. While creating a machine learning model, below are the reasons for using the decision tree. Decision tree usually mimic human thinking ability while taking a decision, so it is easy to understand. The logic behind the decision tree can be easily understood because it shows the tree-like structure. Decision tree terminologies: root node, leaf node, splitting, branch and subtree, pruning, parent and child node. Root node is a form where the decision tree starts. It represents the entire data set, which further gets divided into two or more homogeneous sets. Leaf node are the final output node that a tree cannot be segregated Further, after getting a leaf node, splitting is the process dividing the decision node, root node, and subnodes according to the given conditions. A tree is formed to a splitting the tree. Pruning is a process of moving unwanted branches from the tree. The tree node of a tree is called the parent node, and other nodes are called child nodes. Thank you.